Good afternoon, all you wonderful people. Hope you're having a great day. Well, this is a nice coin. This is from my friend Derek. This is an old 1 penny from 1948. Now, I don't know if that's a turkey or a grouse. I'm sure one of you guys will let me know. Not too sure what the bird that is. Would it be a grouse? Don't know. Let me know in the comments. Right, we're going to punch a hole in it. I won't use my biggest punch. I'm going to use a 7/16 punch because I quite like the coin and I'd like to try and keep as much detail as I could. Hope everybody's feeling fan-dabby-dozy today. Another hot day today, man. No market for me today. I went yesterday. 4 boats. Okay, I sold some stuff, but it weren't brilliant. There's 4 boats tomorrow and I'm not going tomorrow either. Sod it. I need to make some more videos. I've missed one, and I'm sorry about that. But life, you know. Life sometimes gets in the way of things, and, you know, I'm sure you understand. I doubt if you're on the edge of your seats waiting for my videos to come on. Right. Here we go. Right, what we got? We have a penny with a hole in it at the moment. So we need to clean it up a bit, make sure there's no, you know, it's a bit sad there. Look, you know, you want to clean all that up. I cut my finger yesterday. Bloody, it wouldn't stop bleeding. Jesus, we're non-stop. Old ladies on them, oh, you got a plaster? I said, no, I haven't got a plaster. They all had plasters and... What would we do without women, eh? We'd probably go down the pub a bit more. Right, now then. Where is... Okay, I'm back. Who's hiding? Yeah, this should clean up really, really good. I think that's more than sufficient. Let's just dry it off. Oh yeah, that was really hot. That's hotter than the hot thing. Right, let's dry it off. Yeah, this should clean up really good. So, we now need a 17, no, we need this. I always forget about this doming bloody block. So what we got? We got the normal half and stuff there. It's going to have to be this side, isn't it? Sunny side up on the ring. You've got its head there, its tail. His little feet running around. So that's going to go face down. And we shall put it in our little big red and give it its first fold. Right. Now I can use this 17-degree folding die. Let's put a bit of the old liquid Luby-Loo in there. I mean, this is just liquid now. Right. I was talking to my friend from Australia, and he puts magnets on here that holds this. And I'm going to give that a go because it seems like a good idea. So thank you, Paul. Nice chatting to you the other day, mate. as usual. Right, now what we got? Have we got any there he is, he's looking good. Spike. Yeah, the phone just went crazy again. Every time, sometimes you move it, it just goes berserk, you know. Get crazy. This is a ring stretcher and he stretches your ring. Like all ring stretchers should. This is the only one of these coins I've got, so I don't want to screw it up. It's very old, so it's probably quite thin as well. But so far, so good. We just want to get that bow out of it. We don't need to go crazy. It's so bloody hot today, again. I'm not moaning. I like the summer. I like wearing the shorts and the flip-flops and the... Oh, by God. There's no breeze, you know. Nothing. I mean, it looks like it's going to be a horrendous storm pretty soon, but... Oh, that's getting very thin now. And the bow is still in it, so I think we should warm it up a little bit more. This might go pear-shaped, I don't know. Hopefully not. It's looking a bit thin. So if you're from Ireland and you're looking for a nice coin ring, I've got one for you. I can adjust the size, up or down. All you have to do is nip to a jeweller's and get your finger measured. Most of them do it for nothing because they think you're going to buy a ring from them, so, you know. You can give them some spiel and, oh yes, yes sir, measure your finger. As you do. Right. Oh, this is like butter. Is it going to split? I sincerely hope not. Derek, you got any more of these? I know for a fact you haven't, because I was around your house when we checked them out. What's that looking like? There you go. The bow is out of it. What sort of I think I could go a little bit more. It's looking a bit thin, but I'm quite happy to try another couple of pumps. I always have to go that little step too far, don't I? Spoil things. Typical of me. Okay, I'm not going to push it anymore. Oh, God. There you go. There's no bow, it's more cone shaped now. So I'll just clean up the edge a bit more. It's looking a bit sad. It's getting thin now. Right. So now we want to go down to, I think. I did think once, many years ago. Here we go, here he is. This is my smaller one. It looks like we're going to have to start with Big Daddy. So we now go over to the bottom end of spike. These are reduction dice. This is what makes your ring smaller. There's a bit there. We've got a bit of jollop in there. I use coconut oil, but you can use whatever you want, really. Right. Yeah, there's a little bit in there, not much, but I'd rather have a small amount to press down than a large amount. If that makes any sense to you, because it can all go a bit pear-shaped if it's loads of it sticking up. Well, believe it or not, that doesn't look too bad. The walls seem pretty straight. What's it look like by the eye? Yeah, I'm happy with that. If I'm happy with it, you should be happy with it. I just want to clean out that lip. There's a little lip in there. We're going to get rid of that. Right, there you go. So, we'll break out Dave the Dremel, the Kate Bush, and we'll give it a bit of a clean up. All my rings, I do clear coat them. So you shouldn't have any problems with allergies or green fingers. I mean, if after 6 months or a year it starts to wear off, you can always top it up with a bit of the old clear nail varnish that your wife or your girlfriend, or even maybe you, may have. Oh God, bloody hell, man! The bloody sweat's rolling down my back. Right, where do we have? Where is Elton John? Felton John. I had him a minute ago. I took him out and changed it with. I mean, what's going on? There he is. And we need a bit of polish, which I did see here. There it is. Oh dear, the lid's not on it. Right. The lid's gone beard. God knows where it is. Alright, Felton John is installed. We just want to clean it up. Should come up quite nice. Ouch. That's a bit warm. So like I said, yeah, I've had a lot of people saying they've been unsubscribed. So have a check. If you have been, just re-hit it and start again. If you're new to the channel or you just popped in to have a look and you like what you see, I'll try to do a video every 4 days, which I'm pretty good at as a rule. It was every day until the summer, but I'm working on the market, Helsinki market, and this life and stuff. You just can't do it every day. Because I have to make glass for the punters and, But yeah, if you want to hit this little red button, bottom right hand corner of this video, about there somewhere, you want to hit that, stuff happens. And you could be part of the family and watch me screw things up and look like an idiot and, we'll just chat and have a bit of fun. Oh, look at that, it's coming up really nice. Like, really nice. Like I say, I do clear coat all my coin rings. So you shouldn't have any allergy problems or... Of course, they stay shiny if they're clear coated. They don't go dull. So what are we playing with now? What we got? Let's have a look. Wow. Ain't that good? There's his head. There's his tail. 1 penny. I don't know how you pronounce that. Peeny. But there you go. That's why I used all the kitchen roll. You don't lose the detail. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with that. That came out really nice. What size have we got? We've got a size. That's easier said than done. Where is mine? There it is. right in front of me, probably a size 13. What we got? This is a size 12 3/4 thereabout. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. Fits this finger perfectly. So I'd like to thank you all for your support and your comments and your suggestions and stuff like that. Oh. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. So bye bye.